السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. ازيكم يا سنة أولى؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير يا رب إن شاء الله. النهاردة يا سنة أولى هنكمل مع بعض Unit 1 Lesson 1 Matter and its Characteristics. هناخد تكملة الفيزيكال properties. خدنا منهم color و taste و smell number 1. number 2 خدنا ال density. number 3 خدنا ال melting point. أما number 4 خدنا ال boiling point. تمام. طيب هنبتدي النهاردة matter and its characteristics number 5 hardness. والهاردنس هنا هنبتدي نتعرف عليها. هي بتتقسم لثلاث حاجات. ده لان عندي ان الماترز بتتقسم لثلاث انواع. اول حاجة some solid substances are soft at room temperature. soft at room temperature in ordinary temperature such as rubber. okay. letter B. Some solid substances need heat to become soft and easy to be shaped. Some solid substances need heat to become soft and easy to be shaped, such as metals. Number 3 or letter C. Some solid substances can be softened by heating, such as coal and sulfur. For the life application in our life, give reason number 1. The screwdrivers are made of steel iron. Screwdrivers مفكات are made of steel iron because it's very hard. Number 2. The roads used in building houses, concrete, are made of iron, not copper, because the hardness of iron is more than that of copper. Okay. Number 6 هناخد electric conduction. And there substances can be classified according to electric conduction into good conductor of electricity or electric conductors. They allow electricity to flow through, such as, or examples, metals. Yes. Repeat again. Electric conduction. Substances can be classified according to electric conduction into good conductor of electricity or electric conductor. They allow electricity to flow through. For example, metals. Some solutions, such as acidic solutions like lemon, like vinegar solution. Alkaline solution like soup solution, soup. Okay. Some salt solutions. And bad conductors of electricity or electric insulators, they don't allow electricity to flow through. For example, sulfur, phosphorus, wood, and plastic. Gases. Some solutions like hydrogen chloride in benzene, and sugary solution. Okay. For the life application in our life in the electric conduction, number 1, for a given reason, electric wires or cables are made up of copper or aluminium and covered by plastic layer. Because both of copper and aluminium are good conductors of electricity, why plastic is bad conductors of electricity. Okay. تمام يا سنة أولى. Number 7 وآخر واحدة في الفيزيكال properties هي thermal conduction. وعندي substances are classified according to thermal conduction into، ودي خدناها في grade 6 على فكرة. يعني لو نفتكر مع بعض كده احنا خدناها برضو في grade 6 اللي هي good conductor of heat والbad conductor of heat. تمام. طيب أخدنا الجود conductor of heat أو heat conductors they materials that allow heat to flow through like metals. تاني good conductors of heat they allow heat to flow through, for example metals. Okay طيب and metals and bad conductor of heat they don't allow heat to flow through. They don't allow heat to flow through, like wood and plastic. Like wood and plastic. Okay. Life application in our life. Cooking pans are made up of aluminium. Give reason. Cooking pans are made up of aluminium. As a give reason. Okay. Because aluminium is good conductor of heat and it has a high melting point. Give reason. Handles of cooking pans are made up of wood or plastic. Because wood and the plastic are bad conductors of heat. Okay. بكده هنكون خلصنا الفيزيكال properties. نراجعهم تاني مع بعض. أخدنا الcolor taste and smell، خدنا الدينستي، خدنا melting point، خدنا boiling point، خدنا electric conduction، خدنا thermal conduction and the harness. اوكي تعالوا كده نتدرب على الأسئلة بتاعتنا. Give reason. Iron rods, not copper rods, are used in building houses because the iron is more hardness than copper. Okay. Aluminium and copper are used in making electric wires, as an aluminium and copper are good conductor of electricity. Right. Wood is poor conductor of heat because it doesn't allow heat to flow through. Okay. You can answer the homework. Okay, without me. ماشي. طيب تعالى ناخد آخر جزء في الماتر in its characteristics وهناخد الchemical properties. نكمل مع بعض يا شباب الchemical properties. The second properties of matter. Metals and chemical activity. It will be classified to very active metal, less active metal, and inactive metal. Number 1, very active metals. They are metals which react with oxygen as soon as they are exposed to humid air. So they lost their metallic luster. For example, sodium and potassium. Give reason. Sodium and potassium are kept under kerosene surface to prevent their reaction with atmospheric oxygen. Okay. Less active metals. They are metals which react with oxygen if they are left in air for some days and layer of frost is formed. For example, iron, aluminium, and copper. Life applications in our life. Steel bridges and holders of light bulb are painted from time to time to protect them from rusting and corrosion. Okay. Metallic spar of cars are covered with grease to protect them from rust and corrosion. Number 3, washing cooking pans, which are made up of aluminium with rough materials. Okay, to remove any layer formed on them. Inactive metals. They are metals which find great difficulty in reacting with oxygen. For example, silver, platinum, nickel, gold, and chromium. Life applications in our life. Silver and gold are used in making jewels because they are chemically poor active. Number 2, nickel, gold, and silver are used to cover other substances which rapidly gain rust to protect them from corrosion. Okay, thank you so much. For some questions, mention example of an very active metal like sodium and potassium. A substance that is used to plate metals. Substances that is used to plate metals like chromium, like nickel. Okay, you can answer the another question without me. I will see you in the next session. Thank you. Goodbye.